What's up, guys? Sophia Girl Thunder Reactor here, back at it again with another reaction video. Today I'm going to be reacting to Ranking All Epic Cards Drive Ahead, Part 1 out of 3 by Top15z, the one and only Drive Ahead fan YouTuber. What he does is just basically does Rift Rider videos in Drive Ahead. I do remember playing or making a gaming video about Drive Ahead. Go ahead and check that out if you have already. Actually made two of them, one normal part and one extra part. This guy is a fan of Javed too, and what he normally does is rank cars on any category and plays Rift Riders to earn cars. And it looks like we're going to be reacting to a ranking video, and this was the latest one that came out. So without further ado, let's get to it. This is Ranking All Epic Cars Drive Ahead Part 1 of 3 by Top15z, or Top 15s. If he's watching this, let me know how you pronounce that.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be ranking all of the epic cars in Drive Ahead. I'm going to split this up into 3 different parts, starting from the bottom all the way to the top. So this is going to be the worst epic cars.
Worst epic cars?
54 is the Skeletor Fantastique, and
why?
Its last
I have the Skeletor Fantastique.
Place is because, well, it's really not that fast. It's really short, and it's really easy to get the head, and it is also very bouncy, which could be useful sometimes, but mostly not. Number 53 is the Bat Holder, and this car's eye is actually very useless. It shoots out a laser, and most of the time it never hits. Number 52 is Jelly Shock, and like I said in my other video, if it was a bit taller, it probably would be a really good card because it would make it really difficult to get to the head.
True, actually.
And that knockback would be really powerful. Number 51 is the Doom Bomber, and I've actually heard some feedback, and apparently it's not that great. It only is fast when it gets rid of its bomb, and usually that's only on open maps, and usually that's only in King of the Hill.
Yeah, and it's a one-time use, so that sucks, actually.
Number 50 is the Doom Bot. Same kind of reason as the Doom Bomber. It's just very self-destructive, and instead of it being one
exactly bomb, that's what just happened there. That happens most of the time when I'm using that. Sucks.
Bombs, which is actually very annoying. Number 49 is the Laser Tank. This car is slow, and its only advantage is its lasers. It doesn't have any head protection, and yeah,
literally
lasers are really OP because they shoot multiple lasers at once. Number 48 is the Hot Wheels High School Bus. And yeah, this, as you can see, this car, it's kind of like the same thing as the laser tank structure, except it just has a very big body, which actually is pretty good for protection.
Okay.
Number 47 is the Backdrafter. It's basically the exact same thing.
Alright.
As the laser tank and also the Hot Wheels High School Bus.
Except
it is faster, which does make it better.
I thought it was slower.
46 is Specimen X because it does have a ramp to its head, except it kind of protects its head a bit as well. And also, it can release a cow, which actually can help it sometimes. Number 45 is the Army Truck, and this car is actually pretty fast in the front, I think, and in the back it's really bad, mostly because it gets clogged up with its Army Tank, the mini one, which is kind of useless. Number 44 is the Gun Truck, and it's basically like the Army Truck without the mini Army person.
Yeah.
And it's a bit slower, but it does have a gun, which makes it automatically better. Number 43 is the Cloud. It is actually very fast. It has a pretty cool bounce mechanic, but yeah, its protection is not that great. I kind of like the car, which is why I put it a bit higher.
Yeah, oh my gosh, come on, get good connection up. I was afraid of this as well. Come on.
Should be, but yeah, it's alright. Number 42 is the Void Hopper, and the only reason it's this high.
Nope. I'm not putting up with this.
Is because of its speed.
Alright, so the Void Hopper was that. Looks great. It really does resemble like a grasshopper or something. Okay. I'm not... Okay, something just turned on. You're okay. Please, let's just get through this.
It is the Void Hopper, and the only reason it's this high is because of its speed. It is actually really good.
Yep. Oh my gosh, guys. Alright, I have to transition.
And can help it in many, many situations.
Situations, yep.
Number 41 is the Abyss Eel, and yeah, I know,
Yeah.
I kind of like ridiculed it in the last video, I think.
Yeah. That the Abyss Seal kind of sucks because no protection and it's a bit flimsy. Actually, it's really flimsy oftentimes. Jeez, pick up the signal already. I really did not think the series through, did I? Hurry out!
Can get a pretty good height advantage against most of these cars, so that might...
Oh my goodness gracious me, dude. It's because I'm in a bad spot. But at the same time, why? Hurry up, we're like almost there.
Make it better, you know? Number 40 is the Kraken Bait, and his protection is actually pretty good.
I never got a chance to actually try out this car, but I hear it's super powerful, so let's see what he has to say about that.
It also does shoot a Kraken Bait, which
yeah.
maybe helps a little bit. Number 39 is the Alien Spaceship.
A little bit?
The only reason it's this low is because its protection is not that great.
Yeah.
Also, its movement is kind of weird, similar to the Void Engine. Number 38 is the Muscle Car. This car isn't that great either.
Why? I just unlocked that car not too long ago. Gosh, darn it! Hurry up! This is why I use my room now. It's because I'm in a different room, guys. That's why the connection is not doing so well. Also, did it drop down?
Protection.
No.
Its speed is pretty good though.
Yeah, the speed.
Number 37 is the Beast.
Okay.
And this car is pretty good in the front, but its back is not that great.
Yeah, back is weak.
In the back. I hate going backwards with this car. And yeah, guys, this is gonna end our first part of this mini-series.
Okay. And the way to end it is with a buffer. Come on, phone, hurry up. Next time it's gonna be in my room. I think I'm done in this room because it's not great with connection. But good thing we're finished. Come on.
Next part will probably come out in like 2 or 3 days. I don't really know because I have school and stuff. Also, I just finished the audio and I have to record.
Okay.
All the gameplay.
Please stop doing this. Gosh. I'm gonna say anymore. Alright, well, wow, it was right before the end too. But Top15z, thank you so much for that. That will be liked. And guys, check out Top15z if you want to know more about Drive Ahead. And I can't wait for the other part of the Rick and Albert cars. Again, go check it out. Check out Drive Ahead, check out Do Dreams LTD, his YouTube channel, and check out this channel because it's super cool. Well, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next reaction. So, Faker Thunder Reactor signing out. Reactor out.